Hey everyone, OpenSCAD, FreeCAD, and Fusion 360 are three popular 3D modeling programs, but which one is actually best for beginners? So OpenSCAD uses a code-based approach instead of dragging shapes that you type commands and measurements to create precise models. It is free and open source, making it useful for programmers, adjustable designs, and 3D printing parts. Users praise its accuracy and control, but beginners who dislike coding may find it less visual and harder to learn. While FreeCAD is also free and open source, but it offers a traditional interface with sketches, constraints, parametric modeling, and workbenches. You can design mechanical parts, change dimensions, create drawings, and prepare files for 3D printing. Users value its strong features and lack of subscription fees. However, common complaints include a steep learning curve, a confusing interface, and workflows that require tutorials. Fusion 360 is the most polished all-in-one option. It combines modeling methods with assemblies, rendering, simulation, and manufacturing tools. Autodesk offers a free personal use plan for non-commercial hobbyists, although document and feature limits apply. The paid version starts around $43 per month when billed annually, while monthly pricing is higher and promotions may change, and then users praise its smooth workflow, learning resources, and integrated CAD and CAM tools. But some dislike its cloud connection, licensing restrictions, and subscription costs. So overall, OpenSCAD is best for beginners who enjoy coding, while FreeCAD suits users wanting an open source visual tool. Fusion 360 is the easiest package to go into, but it may not suit anyone wanting offline freedom or no licensing limits. Each option is worth considering based on your learning style and future projects. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.